Attributes genuinely add real extra information to a tag, written as name is equal to value pairs inside the real opening tag. In this video you'll use several real common attributes. Ref and title are both real attributes. Ref genuinely sets the destination, title genuinely adds a real tooltip on hover. ID genuinely gives this real element a unique identifier. Class genuinely assigns a real, reusable styling selection hook. Disabled is a real Boolean attribute. Its genuine presence alone, no value needed, disables this actual input. Attributes genuinely go inside the opening tag, as name is equal to value pairs. ID genuinely provides a unique identifier. Class genuinely provides a reusable hook. Boolean attributes like disabled genuinely need no value, just their presence. Add 3 real different attributes to one HTML element. Ready to explore the real different types of form inputs?